Hi everyone, we're glad you're going to use the Google Expeditions AR Kit with your students. Augmented reality lets your students interact with objects from time and space through the lens of a smartphone. Your students can view artwork, fossils, even human brains, and much, much more. Google has worked with museums and organizations around the world to create these AR lessons. Today we're going to show you what's included in the AR Expeditions Kit and how you can use it with your students. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to set up is the wireless router. Plug it into an available power outlet. Press this button to turn it on. Once the two Wi-Fi lights are blinking green, you are all set. Now, turn on the teacher's presentation tablet. Make sure it has plenty of battery charge. It should connect to the wireless router automatically. If not, click Settings and look for the Wi-Fi network named AR Hotspot. The password is printed on top of the router itself. This router does not connect to the internet. Now, launch the Expeditions app. Check to make sure your requested AR Expedition has been downloaded on the app. If you cannot find your expedition, or if you would like to add another, you'll need to disconnect the tablet from the kit router Wi-Fi, switch it to the CUSD guest Wi-Fi, and download the appropriate AR Expedition. Try to check this before your lesson so your students won't need to wait while you download the file. Now you're ready to connect your phones to the router. These phones do not have the ability to make phone calls or texts. Each kit should come with 15 phones and 15 selfie sticks. Turn on the phone by pushing the power button. Check to make sure the phones are fully charged before use. Remember, you may need to charge them in the middle of the day, as the batteries may not hold enough power for a full day of constant use. Once they are powered on, open the Expeditions app. Place the phone into the selfie stick. Now they are ready for student use. Next, you'll want to place markers at convenient locations around your classroom. This kit should have 7 numbered markers. Each number should be a different color. If some of the markers are missing, they can be downloaded from the link shown on your screen now. They can be color printed on ordinary white paper or cardstock. A tabletop or small desk is best. Make sure students are able to walk around the marker on all sides, because they will want to view the 3D objects from different angles. It is possible to divide your expedition into groups. If you choose to do this, students may view different objects at different markers at the same time. So, with your router on, markers placed, and all devices up and running, you are now ready to start the expedition. On your teacher tablet, click Guide and then Start. Your students will now view the first scene in the expedition. Different scripts are available depending on your student's age or prior knowledge. You may want to pause in between scenes to check for understanding. Also, allow some time for a new scene to load on all of the devices. You can click on the compass icon to spotlight a specific location within the scene. Students will be directed to this location with tiny arrows. To move to the next scene, scroll to the right. If you need to charge the devices, use the charging station and plug in each phone. We hope you enjoy your AR Google Expeditions. If you run into any issues during your expedition, you can dial technology from a classroom phone. If you need assistance before or after your lesson, please submit a help desk request or contact your friendly EdTech specialist. Thank you and happy exploring!